Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you how to set an attribute with a callback function. So we've got this set attribute code where you have a selector, do .attr, and then what attribute you are modifying, and then the value. But instead of having this, what you do is you get rid of this. We put function, and this has two parameters. First is I, and the next is, we can call this original value. Okay, so I is just the index of the selected, element, because you might have more than one, or you might select more than one div, for example. And what you do is, if I put return here, and I just put in new title, and I reload, and I'm gonna, as you can see, it says hello world for the title. Click me, it says new title. So I'm thinking, what's the point of this? Why would we do this? We're just returning this. It's because if we're doing a bit more computation, maybe because, for example, we'll do console.log, and I'm gonna log out I, and I'm also gonna log out the original value. And I'm just going to comment this, or I'll get rid of this for now. I'll go back, reload, and if I were to click it, we get 0 and hello world. So hello world is the original attribute of the element, and 0 is the index. So let me show you. So if I were to create that, or this text doesn't have to be the same. If I reload, click me, say 0 and 1, so we get the indexes as well. So maybe you want to do something with that. Perhaps they are buttons and they take you to a particular page, for example, and the index matters, and that is one use case. Another use case is maybe you want to do some computation here, and you could do some other code here. You could do some Ajax, you could do whatever you want, and perhaps you do something like I times 2, or let's just do I to the power of, actually, I plus 100. Save that, reload, go to elements, says hello world, I click it, it now shows 100. So it's the index, which is 0, because there's only one element with that title on the screen, so it's 0 plus 100. So you can do some computation between these curly braces, and whatever you return is the value that is applied to this attribute. So that's how you have a callback function when setting an attribute. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.